What's up, New Mexico? This is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. How you doing? It is Memorial Day month. It's May. All kinds of stuff going on. And we are excited, man. We've got some specials going on. Chevy rolled out there. I have to read it. It's Sport Utility Spring Specials. They've got some huge deals on sport utilities. I mean, the Equinox, the Trax, the Traverse, Tahoe, Suburban, what else? All those things, man. We've got some huge specials on those, including 0% financing available. And you know how expensive financing is. I mean, interest rates are going up, and they're still offering 0%. So if you're looking for a vehicle, get down here and see us. Check out one of these SUVs that we've got. And vehicles are coming in every day. Now, let me talk about that. Vehicles are coming in every day, but then the same day the truck pulls up, they're going out. So if you are looking for a vehicle, you need to let us know what you're looking for. We've got some on the lot here. In fact, all over the place, we've got over 250 vehicles for you to look at, but we've also got vehicles coming in every day. So we can show you that list, or if you want to order a vehicle, we can help you with that. Get down here and see us. We can hook you up. And during the sport utility spring, it's hard for me to say. They made that and they didn't call me on it. They should have called me and said, hey, this is Chevy. We're going to do sport utility spring. What do you think? And I'm going to say, man, it's hard to say, but we're doing something else too. During May, it is the Memorial Day sales event all month long, and we have got some huge deals going on with that too, including we are bringing back, we had so much fun last month with our gas prices suck video and with the gas card that we gave away. I mean, people were so excited about that because gas prices just keep going up, don't they? And so we're giving away another gas card in May during our Memorial Day gas card giveaway. That's what we did, yeah. So we've got that going on. You can order your Chevy here. And in our service department during our Memorial Day sales event, if you served or are serving in the military, you've got a military ID, come on in and get a 10% discount on your service because we thank you for your service. Thank you. And we want to show our appreciation. So just get into our service department, show them your military ID, and get that 10% discount on your service. So if you need vehicle service, come on down. All kinds of things going on in there too. I mean, we've got tire specials this month. We've got some oil change specials, whatever you're looking for. Plus, you can get that military discount. So come on down and see us. Come on down here and see us. Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. Easy to find. Interstate I-25, exit 203. Easy to find, easy to deal with. Right here in the heart of beautiful Los Lunas. And we have got, you can call us. We've got a phone, 505-866-3000. So give us a call there. We've got a website. Imagine that. MelloyChevrolet.com. Pretty easy, huh? So we've got that going on. We've got the gas card giveaway. You can click the link and get taken to the registration form for that, or just come by and see us. While you're here looking at our sport utility vehicles, while you're here looking at getting your oil changed or getting your service done, you can fill out a form and get entered for that. We're giving that away. So we've got all kinds of things happening. So don't miss this chance. If you're looking for a vehicle, this is the place. Melloy Auto Group in Los Lunas. We've got hundreds of vehicles for you to look at. We've got vehicles arriving every day. All kinds of things happening. Get on down here, New Mexico. This is Dennis at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas saying, get here. We're committed to you. That's what I was supposed to say. This is Dennis at Melloy Chevrolet saying, we're committed to you.